All right, so we were at Colorado National Monument. Now, this is sort of a secret, I guess. I found this place a couple years ago, 2, 3 years ago, when I was coming through. I was following Google trying to find a dispersed camping site, and Google brought me into the National Monument that I didn't know existed up until that point. But really cool. We're camped nearby, not too far away, so I brought Melanie back. Said, let's go check out Colorado National Monument. It's pretty awesome. So we did, and of course, we were greeted first off with a bunch of bighorn sheep right when we came in, which is really, really awesome. So anyway, let's go look around. A cool place, interesting history. The main road through here was built by Rimrock Road or Rimview Drive. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. Built by CCC workers many years ago. But cool place, and we're gonna go walk around, go drive around, and check out some scenery. Guys, hope you enjoyed these scenes from Colorado National Monument. Like I said, it's a cool place. It reminds me a lot of the Grand Canyon. Different, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. Grand Canyon's not so many hours south of here. But this one isn't super well known from what my experience, at least. Everybody basically I've mentioned it to since I found it a few years ago has been like, where? Never heard of it. So now you've heard of it if you're watching this video. Hope you enjoyed these scenes though. If you like this video, if you don't mind, if you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel already. If you'd like to see more travel related content like this. And we'll catch you in the next video.